Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Craft-ideaz. Today I'm gonna sharing with you a cute easy mini envelope which you could make easily and it will take 4 to 5 minutes maximum. It looks amazing, and yeah, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel to get more videos and press the bell icon to get notifications. And let's get started. Enjoy the video. This envelope is super easy and cute, and only 4 to 5 minutes it will take. If you forgot to buy something for your friend, or if you don't have enough money to buy, or if you don't have enough time to make any gift, just make it. Only you need one A4 sheet and some colorful sketch pen. That's it. Here you could write something like I wrote happy birthday for demo purpose, but if you want to share some memorable things, you can write anything. The best part of this envelope is you don't need to make another card. Already this envelope itself is a card. Just fold it properly and your card plus envelope will be ready. Trust me guys, it's super easy and interesting, and really you should try it. I'm telling you, you should try it definitely. So yeah, our cute mini envelope plus card is ready, and here you go. It's really very cute and beautiful. Definitely you should try it. And that's it for today guys. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and please subscribe to my channel to get more videos. Wait for the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.